Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is turbulent. It's pronounced turbulent, and it's spelt Turbulent. Think tur, then bu, then lent. Turbulent describes something involving a lot of sudden changes, arguments, or violence. For example, you could say, the ocean was too turbulent for us to go sailing, if the sea was rough and potentially dangerous. The word turbulent is borrowed from the Middle French word turbulent, which comes from the Latin turbulentus, which means disorder. Disorder is similar in meaning to turbulent, as they both describe something confusing and often involving groups of people. Have you ever been on an aeroplane when it started shaking and bumping around mid-flight? Well, this is called turbulence, and this word turbulence is a noun. While turbulence during aircraft flight is usually small, it can be dangerous, and therefore it's important to always wear your seatbelt on a plane. Turbulent is an adjective, and therefore it is used to describe. For example, you could say, it has been a turbulent week if you were describing a difficult week full of progress and setbacks. Turbulent is defined in the dictionary as characterized by conflict or confusion, not controlled or calm. Turbulent synonyms include tempestuous, roller coaster, stormy, unstable, unsettled, and tumultuous. Antonyms include calm, gentle, kind, mild, moderate, nice, peaceful, and smooth. See if you can notice anything turbulent today. It could be a person or a situation. If your siblings or friends keep arguing on and off, you could tell them that their relationship is rather turbulent and that they should try and make up. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.